In trading places, the distinguished people with the Index Industry Association recently rang the closing bell on the trading floor at CBOE Global Markets. Joining us now, the president of IIA, Rick Redding. Good to have you here, Rick. And tell us about the ringing and the celebrations going on for your association.
It's great to be with you today. Yes, IIA is celebrating its 10-year anniversary. So we've undertaken a series of bell ringings across the globe. We've had a bell ringing in New York, now in Chicago. We're going to have one in London soon. So we're just circling kind of the globe where a lot of our members are and celebrating 10 years of IIA.
What's happening with your business?
IIA is a trade organization of independent index providers. It's a global organization. A lot of the household names that you'll recognize in the index providing space, the likes of S&P Dow Jones, FTSE Russell, NASDAQ, MSCI, stocks, you name it. Most of the independent index providers are members of the IIA. About a third of our members are in Asia, and globally, our members administer over 3 million indexes.
As far as investing, what trends are you noticing? I understand ESG, environmental, social, and governance, is becoming very popular with investors.
Well, there's a couple of trends in the business, in the space that are going on. We do a couple of surveys a year that are kind of foundational. One is we look at the number of indexes our members administer, and two things have been coming out kind of as trends. And one is the dramatic increase in the number of ESG indexes. In fact, over the last 2 years, we've seen an increase in the number of those by about 85%. Likewise, in ESG indexes, last year we saw a 61% increase in the number of fixed income ESG indices. So we see a lot of growth in the ESG side. We're also seeing a lot of growth on the fixed income side. Fixed income indexes increased probably 15% in the last couple of years. And why that's important is it usually takes a year or two for the index providers to do a lot of the research and development, and through the ecosystem, then the asset management community begins to initiate products and sell those products to investors. So you should see a lot more of those type products coming soon.
Thank you, Rick. We hope that you will keep us up to date.
Great. It's my pleasure. Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.